Hi, I'm Jim Schuster, certified elder law attorney from Southfield, Michigan. Here we're talking on matters of Michigan elder law and Michigan Medicaid. Now I have a disclaimer today before we go any further. This is just a brief overview of a very complicated legal subject. There are exceptions to just about anything I say, so if this is your situation, see a lawyer, strongly advised. Okay, question comes up. Can I be paid for helping my parents? Now it's true, children never charge their aging parents for all the things they do for them. After all, mom didn't put a tab on the table and say, pay me when you're all done with dinner when they were kids. So the question comes up, if dad's in a nursing home and he has to spend on everything, can the children now be paid for all those years of help they give him? Let's just give you an example. Suppose that dad had dementia, Alzheimer's, he's having very great difficulty living at home. They checked out assisted living for dad and turns out that it's going to cost $4,000 a month. So daughter and son-in-law said, well, we'll take care of him, we'll take him in. So let's say that he lived there for 3 years and they did everything for him. Not just the cooking, cleaning, everything. All of his financial management took care of it. Arranging medical appointments, took care of it. Transportation, anywhere, you name it. They did everything for him. Now dad had a fall, he's in a nursing home, and he's going to have to spend out all of his money. And here the children say, look, we didn't even charge dad rent. Can we be paid for all those years of work and service we gave him? And the answer is no. Under the general law, a child serves a parent for free. Services between parent and child are done for free. It's gratuitous. There's no charge. However, that presumption of gratuity of free service can be rebutted by proof of a legal agreement. Now, the legal agreement could be in writing, could be oral, could be a handshake. The only question there is, what would be the proof? Are there witnesses to testify that there's an oral agreement, a handshake, especially if dad's now in a nursing home and he can't testify to anything? And there is an exception to that general rule that an agreement is required, and that exception is called quantum meruit. Goes like this. Suppose I'm standing on my front porch and a crew comes over to my house and starts putting in a new driveway. My driveway's old, cracked up, and I watch all this work, and after they're all done, they say, well, Mr. Jones, here's your bill. We'll take a check or charge. And I say, I'm not Mr. Jones. He lives next door. Hey, guys, thanks to the driveway. I didn't agree to hire you to put in a driveway, but I got one now. Thanks, go away. Now, I have to pay them for the service that they perform because I accepted it. I watch them put it in, and so on. A child could be paid for rendering valuable commercial service to a parent if otherwise a parent would have hired an employee. As there's an old Michigan case, and I won't give you all the facts, but let's just say the court found that because a child worked on the farm for years and the parent would have hired an employee to do all that work, all those chores, and these are adult children, by the way, then it is only fair that the parent has paid the child for those years of service. And there's other cases that say if a person performs services for which you would otherwise hire an employee, then that person should be paid as well. The IRS says that anybody who works in your home is a domestic employee. So here we have it, daughter's rendering service, which IRS calls domestic employees. She's working as an employee, and she now say the dad should pay so the money won't go to the nursing home. That's a hard case. Better see your lawyer if it comes up. But the better advice I think you can see is have an agreement in place before anything starts. Can the daughter make a claim for at least rent? Dad lived in her home for years. I mean, couldn't she make a claim for rent? Big question. If you got a question, just give me a call. Our phone number is 248-356-3500. And there's more valuable information on our website. It's www.jimschuster.com. It's been good talking with you.